Hi guys, this is me again, Ate Chai. Welcome to my channel. Pabatiin po natin ng happy birthday ang ating magandang friend na si Ate Fedorado. Wishing you a day filled with joy and laughter. Have a fantastic birthday and a great year ahead. At pinaghandaan natin guys ng munting sorpresa ang ating birthday celebrant. May kanya-kanyang task ang mga legit titas para maipaabot ang mga mensahe ng ating panauhing pandangat.
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday! Ate
Yes!
Fedorado!
Happy birthday, Fedorado!
Ngayong many birthdays to come.
Yeah, more birthdays to come. Yes, mabuhay.
Kaya, nais kong batiin ang nag-celebrate sa kanyang kaarawan ngayon. So, happy birthday. Sana marami pang taon ang may dagdag sa iyong buhay. Maraming salamat sa suporta. Happy birthday and more birthdays to come. Stay healthy. At bawasan ng pagiging high bloods. Sana maging maayos ang lahat. Thank you at ulitin ko happy birthday to you sa ating Luzartan Queen. More birthdays to come.